So apparently, I have to get my life together. In order to get my life together, I'm gonna need a few things. Some small things. So we're headed to O'Reilly's. Right there. Got what I needed. Well, I'm just getting back, and look what arrived. All right, so here's what I did. So everything comes with large ass bricks these days. So there's a few spots on that power strip that's not being used. So you see the actual things plugged in. There's space between them, and then I got zip ties loosely holding it to the framing. So it's not, see, like it's not ridiculously tight. Like it's just tight enough to hold it there. And then over here on this side, because again there's not enough space thanks to the bricks on the surge protector, I have an extension cord here that I'm running this thing. I'll show you this thing here, which this is a lot of my stuff that needs to be charged doesn't have bricks, so it's just like a USB hub type thing, and I use that to like charge my mics and various other things like my light here and stuff like that. So, and the double-sided tape is to mount that on the table, like to put it so that it doesn't move and go all over the place. So So what do you think? Looks good, right? Now my iPad I use mainly for entertainment. Like I use it mainly for entertainment. Once in a while, like I do some editing on it and stuff, but when I do, like that's because I don't want to sit at the desk. So like that's a let me go hang out in the living room type thing. So the same editor I have on my MacBook, I have an iPad program for it. So, but that's it. The rig I'm holding, my handheld rig, that would go down there when I'm not using it, and then my phones, both my phones would sit up here, and then and that's about it. Like I listen to my iPad all night long. Like there's a documentary I listen to over and over again, and I let it play at night. So my iPad, like it has to be with me. It has to be close. So, but I wanted something that I could put the stuff away and whatever. And we had those bins. Lexi, I don't know if you remember Lexi showing you those bins.
This is where I used to store my glitter bags. Like I literally had a wall of about 120 of these
That she bought for crafting. And initially I was like looking for like a nightstand / desk with drawers and stuff like that, and it was more money than I wanted to spend. I was like, why don't I just get the same desk Lexi has, and then use bins that we already have that we don't have no idea what we're gonna use them for. So that way, it works. So it looks much better. All the stuff is clear. Now my Echo Show there. This is an Amazon Echo Show. So like it plays some video and stuff like it has some capabilities. But what it really is like when we had the house, like I had alarms, I had cameras and everything, and I can operate it. Like this was like a control center, and I had it. You can operate everything from this little thing, and then you can view the cameras from there and stuff. So, I obviously don't have that in an apartment, but I actually gave it to Tori, because she wanted something for AJ, but it didn't work. It didn't work for AJ. Like the kitty stuff was too young for him, and then the adult stuff like gave him capabilities that she didn't want him to have. So she was like, "Here, you can take it back." So I'm gonna figure out. I mean, I listen to music from it, like turn it on, but I'm thinking about mounting it like right here at some point, like getting a little TV mount to mount it right there. It had a bracket mounted, but I guess it was in the storage and we lost the storage, so it's gonna probably go on the wall over here, and that's it. So Lexi, I didn't mount I didn't tape down the hub yet. This thing, I didn't tape that down because Lexi says she has an idea for it, so that it might not have to be on the desk. So I told her, I said, all right, well, I'll put everything up, and then when you get home, we'll come together and see what works best. Because, like stuff on paper looks good, like when you have it planned out and you're like, but then once you actually go to start working, like that's a whole different ball game. Like you'd be like, okay, this doesn't work here like this or something like that. And then what I'm going to use is for a chair is my beach chair.